Hello and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install and configure the Video Resolution Switcher plugin. So this allows you to change in your player what appears like low, SD and HD. So you can change that text perhaps to something more meaningful. So let's go over to our plugins, and just as a reminder, so having logged in, you just scroll down and select plugins, and then I'm going to upload a plugin. And so I just need to find it. I'm going to use the drag and drop as I know exactly where this is. So here we go, Video Resolution Switcher, and upload, and almost immediately that is uploaded. So I just need to find that in my list of free and paid plugins. So let's just keep scrolling down here till I find it. Occasionally you may miss it and you just have to go back and find it. Here we go. A lot of the time they are in alphabetical order, but that doesn't always apply. So first thing, toggle it on, and then the only thing to edit here is the parameters. So this is where you change the label. So as an example, I can do low 640 by 360, because that's the resolution. SD is 960 by 540, and HD is 1280 by 720. And then I can just save those changes, and that is done. But what I want to do is I'm going to actually upload a video, so I'll pause the video so I can actually show you inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside the player. Now you've got this little cogwheel here, and then you've got the three settings. Now what I noticed is, even though I put it in uppercase letters inside the plugin, it still puts the letters lowercase in here. Let me just show you. If I just go back here into plugins, scroll down to my video switcher, and go in the parameters. See, I put a capital L, a capital SD and a capital HD, but inside the actual player it shows it as lowercase. Not that that's a big issue, but just thought I'd point it out to you. Thanks.